What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's Marlin here. Today's a different video. I've done something that I've always wanted to do my entire life. I bought a Lamborghini Huracan. It is the all-wheel drive version. Before this video starts, make sure to drop a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Today we're just gonna drive around. I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to drive a Lamborghini. We'll do some pulls. Without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so we're about to start the first drive in the Lamborghini, first time. All right, let's go. We're gonna start in Strata mode, then we're gonna switch it to Corsa. All right, first impressions. It's a lot lower than the 350, of course, but it feels like you're driving a spaceship. Literally feels like you're driving a spaceship. I still got an automatic mode. The light is red, but I'm gonna punch it at the light just to get a feel of it. And then after that, I'm gonna switch it to Corsa mode and have some fun. But for right now, we're just gonna cruise. Yeah, it's fast. That is quick. On camera and off camera is not a joke. God.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Alright, I'm gonna try it in Corsa mode real quick. Oh yeah. Alright, so Corsa mode is gonna sound a lot louder. It's gonna have more of the pops and stuff that you normally hear from Lamborghinis. So I can't wait, we're gonna get into it. Oh my god.
Traffic light.
Bro, that's fast. This car is fast. This car is fast. It is way quicker than what I thought. Oh my god, bro. Did you hear the pops? Did you hear that? I'm gonna stop before I go to jail. For everybody that says Lamborghinis are slow, no. This thing is quick. All right, boys, about to do a little tunnel run, tiny tunnel run.
Turn left at the traffic light.
That's so fast. So fast. Hold on, I don't want to run it. Let's go.
Possible. Make a U-turn.
It's so fast.
Take the second right.
Oh my god. Alright, about to do a little quick pull. Oh my god, I don't know. This is nothing to say. This is so fast. And honestly, I can't believe I'm doing it because I talked about it so long. And now I'm finally doing it. I'm finally in the Lamborghini. It doesn't feel real, but it's not as intimidating as it may seem. It's really easy to drive, honestly. I literally just hopped in and drove it and learned everything. I already knew how it felt. It's like Forza in real life, pretty much. So this is better than Forza. This is the best you're gonna get. So if you haven't done it, you just need to go do it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be just driving around enjoying it for the rest of the time. POV videos coming soon. I'm probably gonna film one after I finish editing this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in the next one.